Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with the right essentials: replacement Sennheiser HD 450 BT pads, a small flat tool, and a clean surface. Power the headphones off and remove any 3.5 mm cable, then place the unit ear cup up. Pry the cushion edge gently with your fingernail or tool at the seam because the cushion is clipped under a plastic lip. Once the rim releases a little, rotate your finger and peel the pad away evenly. Do one slow motion, so clips don't tear or pop unexpectedly. You'll continue by exposing the inner ring. Lift the pad enough to see whether clips or a retaining ring hold it. If there's a ribbon for a mic or sensor, disconnect it with a controlled tug so pins don't bend. Take out the old foam and check for sticky residue. Remove excess with a cotton swab and 70% isopropyl. Once clean, align the new pad so the seam matches the headphone's notch, because proper orientation avoids pressure points and maintains seal and comfort. You finish by seating the new cushion's edge under the plastic lip, pressing around the entire circumference with even pressure. Start opposite your initial pinch point and work in short pushes so clips click into place. Reconnect any ribbon, then flex the ear cup to confirm the pad won't slip. Once done, power on and play audio at low volume. Make sure the seal is even and there's no rubbing. If you hear rubbing, reseat the pad or realign the seam. One small adjustment usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.